In today's video, we are going to talk about the best cat breeds for first-time owners. Getting your first cat is both an exciting and overwhelming experience. Although adoption and rescue are always recommended, taking home a cat from a rescue or a shelter means your cat will most likely not be purebred. If you do choose to add a pedigreed cat to your family, you should try to look for a breed that fits your own character and personality. Hence, it's of the utmost importance for new cat owners to look at a cat's grooming needs, energy level, vocalness, adaptability, curiosity, degree of affection, and appearance before adding the furball to their household. It's important to remember though that every cat is unique and therefore might not exactly match the physical traits and personality characteristics of its breed. Of course, it's those little differences that make cat owners love their hairy companions so much. Here are the lists of the best cat breeds for beginners according to experts. 1. Persian Cat. If you're looking for a cat with a relatively low activity level and long flowing coat, the Persian might be the right cat for you. With big round eyes, a large round head, and a massive body with short legs, the Persian is a great cat to come home to after a long day. Persians communicate with their soft voice and expressive eyes. They are playful but will not demand to play or be loved. They will not be ones to jump high or perform extensive climbing due to their body shape. 2. Russian Blue Cat. Russian Blues are sweet-tempered and loyal cats, known for their silky, short blue coats and large, green brilliance eyes. Russian Blues are pretty quiet except when it's mealtime. Russian Blues are devoted and affectionate to their family but can be shy around strangers. Noting that these cats are also susceptible to their human's mood and will provide comfort when needed. Russian Blue is also one of the most intelligent breeds. 3. Maine Coon Cat. Maine Coons are perfect for owners who like dogs but want cats. They're curious, gentle giants with long, flowing coats who like to follow you around like a pup. The Maine Coon's size and distinctive coat are the breed's most easily recognized characteristics. Like all long-haired cats, Maine Coons benefit from frequent combings due to their uneven and shaggy fur having 3 different lengths. They also have large tufted paws to provide protection when walking on the snow and large ears to hear predators and prey. 4. Siamese Cat. The Siamese has a distinctive voice, a raspy yowl that can be loud, and they're not afraid to voice their thoughts. They're also very loving and very persistent in getting their wants and desires met because, with their loud purr, you can't help but indulge them. The Siamese is also known for its sleek body, wedge head, colored points, muscular grace, long legs, and a slender tail. They're also recognizable with their short and silky coat that comes in a variety of colors and deep blue, almond-shaped, and slant positioning eyes. 5. Scottish Fold Cat. Besides those distinctive ears, Scottish Folds are known to be sensitive, expressive, and active. Scottish Folds are sweet and affectionate cats that have a very soft and gentle voice, noting that they aren't vocal often. They love human companionship and aren't afraid to request it in their quiet way. They're also very comfortable in both a loud multi-person household and a quiet single-person household. Scottish Folds are generally intelligent, quick-tempered, calm, and easily adapt to new people and situations. 6. Ragdoll Cat. Defined by its pointed pattern, the Ragdoll has a long coat, although not as long as the Persian or Maine Coon. With plush and silky fur, the Ragdoll requires minimal grooming, noting that a Ragdoll's appearance is well balanced without any extreme features. Ragdolls are very docile and gentle while playing as well as great cats for a busy lifestyle due to their easy care and well manner. They are affectionate and will ensure to greet you every time you return home. They can be taught different tricks, including fetch and come. They're a best buddy kind of cat. Hello. This video is sponsored by BMX Pets. Are you looking for high-quality cat collars at an affordable cost? Check out bmxpets.com. Use coupon code KittenLife to get 20% off. 7. Exotic Shorthair Cat. Although exotics have short coats, their fur is still thick, dense, and plush, helping to give them a teddy bear look. In terms of their personality, an exotic Shorthair is a quiet, peaceful, very playful, and loyal companion who, although extraordinarily affectionate, will not follow you around the house and giving you some privacy. These cats prefer colder areas to sleep. Therefore, you might not find them in your bed at night. This cat enjoys a grooming session once in a while but also enjoys play and interaction with its owners, so it's made for owners who want that exotic touch and playmate too. 8. Sphinx Cat. If you're looking for an energetic, acrobatic cat with an unexpected sense of humor, the Sphinx might be the cat for you. They're best known for being the hairless cat. The extra wrinkling on their head also creates different facial expressions of displeasure or frustration, adding that their eyes can also be very engaging and wide. The Sphinx is also known for their clumsiness and desire to always be with their human companion, noting that they're often full of energy and getting into trouble with their naughty behavior. They love curling up in their cat sweaters with their owners on cold winter days and love basking in the living room under the sun's rays during the summer. If you want a laid-back but loving breed, go for the Sphinx. 9. Bengal Cat. The wild, leopard-like appearance of the Bengal is incredibly distinctive and makes sense for such an active cat. They're easily recognized by their vivid spots of vibrant color and contrast, glossy coat, wide noses, and prominent whisker pads. When bringing a Bengal into the household, be ready for a confident animal who is also very devoted to its companions. Bengals will keep you busy with their curiosity and athletic nature and their need to play and learn tricks. These affectionate cats love water so much that you might find them joining you in the shower or helping you brush your teeth. 10. Norwegian Forest Cat. The Norwegian Forest Cat is perfect for someone looking for a more reserved and large cat with a semi-long-haired coat. With a triangular head with flat planes, a large body, and large, almond-shaped eyes, the Norwegian Forest Cat has front paws that point slightly outward to allow the cat to go headfirst down a tree, something no other breed can do. This large breed also has a water-repellent outer coat. Norwegian Forest Cats are very independent and operate on their own time, noting that they will come to you when they are ready for affection. They also love to be high on a scratching post or cat tree to visualize their landscape. 11. Siberian Cat. Siberians are smart, active, and well-balanced. They have a triple coat with medium to long hair and a massive body, since they hail from Russia and needed to endure the cold and northern winters. They come in a wide variety of colors. They love to interact and be with their people, they actually insist on it. Easygoing, personable, and fearless, Siberians are very keen on humans' needs and moods. This trait makes them ideal for a person that needs emotional support and comfort. They are also enthusiastic acrobats when it comes to playtime, executing aerial somersaults with ease, as well as very adaptable to changing environments as not much disturbs them. 12. American Shorthair Cat. If you're looking for a very powerful and pleasant companion cat, then look no further than the American Shorthair. Selectively bred to maintain a muscular, stocky, and working body, the American Shorthair has a wide variety of colors and patterns. Because they're easygoing, affectionate, family-oriented cats, they're great companions and playmates for families with children. Along with their loving personalities, they are low maintenance and healthy cats rarely needing medical care other than their annual checkups with your veterinarian. Remember that there is a breed out there for all cat lovers, whether you're just starting your cat family or making room for one more. If you enjoyed this video, kindly press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.